Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen where I make it happen. You heard me? Tonight we are making chicken quesadillas. Yes, I said it. Chicken quesadillas. And these are buffalo style. All right. So, those late nights where you need to hurry up and come in and make a quick meal, well, this is the perfect meal for you. And it is delicious, let me tell you. If you watch the full video and you like it, drop a 1 in the comments. Here's a quick preview of the ingredients we're using. And don't forget the cream cheese. Now let's plate up our chicken breasts. I'm using 2 nice sized pieces of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now we want to add our seasonings. We're going to do a little smoked paprika. You can just sprinkle it on there however you like, as much as you like. And then we're going to add the garlic powder. Sprinkle that on there generously, as much as you want. Some onion salt. I love Trader Joe's brand, it's the best. A little ground black pepper, sprinkle that on there as well. You can never have too much black pepper. And our pink Himalayan salt, add a nice amount, just not too much because you don't want it to be too salty. Now we're going to add some oil to our heated pan, sunflower oil again. And we're going to nicely place our boneless chicken breasts inside the pan. And don't worry, when we flip it over, we'll add some more seasonings. Now we're going to chop up our cilantro. So you want some fresh cilantro. Break some of the leaves off of the stem. As much as you want, it doesn't really matter. You have a nice handful. So I like to get all of the stem out of there. I don't like the stem for some reason. So go ahead and break all of the pieces off. And now we are going to chop them up. Now you guys, I told you again, I'm not a chef. If anybody wants to tell me how to properly cut these, leave it in the comments, please. But in the meantime, this is how I'm doing it. So you just roughly chop your cilantro pieces up. Go ahead and just keep flipping it around and gathering it up until you get all of the pieces cut up. And try not to have them stick to your fingers as much like me. We're going to go ahead and check our chicken. Look at that, looks nice on one side. We're going to go ahead and flip it over, a little bit golden. See? All right. Now, once the other side is done, we're not cooking them till they're fully cooked, maybe about a third way done. And we're going to take them out of the pan and we're going to shred the chicken up. We're going to shred it into nice sized pieces. So get on in there and shred it up real good. Just like that. And then we're going to add it back to the pan so it can fully cook. Now once we do this, we're going to add some more seasonings to the chicken that we just shredded because the inside didn't get any seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and add some garlic powder again. A little bit of that Trader Joe's onion salt. If you have another brand, it's fine. It doesn't matter. Some more ground black pepper. Drop that on in there. Then we're going to add a little bit more sprinkles of the smoked paprika. As much as you want. Gives it a nice full flavor. We're going to go ahead and mix it all up in there. And then we're going to let it simmer until it's fully cooked. Once it's done, we're going to drop our cream cheese in. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and sprinkle in some of our Mexican blend cheese. As much as you want, it doesn't matter. Next, we're going to add in our buffalo sauce. So there's no measurement. You just go on and pour it on and however much you like. You see what I did? A couple little drizzles here and there. All right, so now that the cream cheese kind of warmed up some and you see that buffalo sauce is bubbling, we're going to go ahead and start mixing everything up inside of our pan. You want it to be mixed very well. Now, while that's simmering, we are going to drop some butter in our cast iron pan. And guys, I love to use a cast iron pan for this part. For some reason, it just gives those tortillas a nice crisp. So let that butter melt down, and then we're going to go ahead and drop in our flour tortillas. We're not going to let them cook all the way. We're going to go ahead and start adding our mixture in. So scoop up a nice amount of your chicken mixture and place it on one side of your tortilla, just like that. And then we are going to drizzle on some of our ranch. Again, you guys will notice I'm using Trader Joe's brand a lot. I love it. Then we're going to sprinkle some more of our Mexican cheese on top. There you go. The cheesier the better. Much as you want. All right, when you're done, we're going to take that one side and flip it over, and then you're going to press down to make sure it sticks and try to mix the ingredients in a little bit. And then we're going to let it cook on that side until it's a little golden. While that one's cooking, we're going to add another to the pan, and we're going to repeat those same steps. Add your chicken mixture, drizzle on your ranch dressing. You can put as much as you want again. And then we're going to add on some more of that Mexican blend cheese, and then fold that one over and press down. And we're going to let them cook. Doesn't take long for the tortilla to brown, maybe about 1 or 2 minutes. And it doesn't take long for the cheese to melt either. So let's go ahead and flip that bad boy over. Yep, you see it, nice and golden, and it's going to have a nice crunch. You go ahead and flip the other one over. Take a look at that one. See, nice and golden and caramelized. The butter just does the trick, guys. All right, they're all done. We're going to go ahead and plate them up. Don't worry about the little juices. It's okay. Go ahead and get the other one and plate that one up as well. You can make it fancy, or if you're in a rush to eat, just throw them on a plate. All right, so now we're going to take some sour cream and then place a nice sized dollop right on top of our quesadillas. And then we're going to take that cilantro that we chopped up, and we're going to just drop it all over the plate and on top of our quesadillas as a garnish. And there you are. Take a look. Doesn't it look delicious? The chicken mixture is nice and juicy and cheesy, and oh my goodness, when you bite into it, the tortilla has the best crunch. Oh my gosh, when I tell you all, this was so good, my whole family tore them up. So if you guys like this video, drop a one in those comments. Let me know what you think. See ya.